The Salai Dam, we were offered money. And I'm talking about a lot of money. We did not, and they were intimidated. Intimidated. Four of us either agreed to the intimidation or refused, including the senator of Nakuru. They never signed the report. We signed the report, including Senator Sakaja, and they know. We have withstood intimidation. We have withstood offers for bribes. We have withstood pressure from the powers that be, state, deeper, or whatever it is. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, allow me to proceed.
Proceed, Senator.
I'm glad that Senator Murkomen agrees with me and laughs. But it's not a laughing matter. Because he knows very well that in the case of Ruaraka, for purposes of a committee, we tabled a report. He knows what happened. He knows what happened. And I will not repeat because it's on record. Mr. Speaker, this afternoon, Kenyans are watching. They want to see whether we will shoot ourselves in the foot by attempting to pretend, Mr. Speaker, that either of the other produces a better result for purposes, and the ones who are saying plenary are saying that is equal justice. Senator Wan Sakaja, who says he doesn't disagree with me, is sitting in two committees, one of COVID. We have entrusted this good gentleman, together with Senator Kasanga, to go around the country to collect views on our behalf. Nobody has made an allegation against them. There's a gentleman seated here, Senator Yusuf Haji, who has chaired a committee for the last 8 years. Why haven't we accused him of anything? Mr. Speaker, the reason, yes.
Do you want to be informed?
By Senator Zakaja, yes.
Of course, Mutula is my brother. Mr. Speaker, I'd like to inform Senator Mutula that the committee I chair and deputized by Senator Kasanga brings a report to this House every week, including today. The issue with this committee, we are saying, Mr. Speaker, is that if it rules one or another, it will not bring a report. That is the difference. That is the only difference, Mr. Speaker.
That's the problem. That's the problem of allowing some of the people who are your brothers to give you unuseful information. Mr. Speaker, it's just unuseful information for what I was saying. You're not helping. Mr. Speaker, we want to investigate and get to the bottom of this matter. This afternoon, I have this book. This book is all the impeachment records of the Senate. Why do you think it's this big, Mr. Speaker? It's because we have sat in several committees and we have something we can look up to. The reports of plenaries, including Gachagua, including the late Gachagua and including Waititu. If you want to read, you'll find nothing here. Nothing useful for the Senate. If you want to help Kirinyaga, and I'm telling you because I know, there are 4 impeachments coming. One from Western, one from Central, and some other places, Eastern, and Coast. Don't get excited because you think Kirinyaga is the magnus opus of impeachments. We are going to get much more. You will get a committee, you will get an opportunity. Lastly, let me say this. Let me finish. Allow me to finish, Mr. Speaker. Shakespeare said, though this be madness, there is a method to it. This senator has found a method to interrogate serious, intricate issues. If we walk away from such methods, which ourselves have agreed to do them, I expect all the chairpersons of committees to resign because they are both either incompetent, corrupt, and cannot deliver. Simple.